Alrighty, you look here. It's now on what, the third step now? And as you can see, the water is rising and rushing in as we are standing here and filming. This is such a sad, sad day. It's completely and utterly around the entire house now. It's coming in every direction. And as you can see, there's the street, there's my signs, there's the swing. Alrighty. And then you have Justin and Christy's house over here. Let me get through the morning gorge. Yeah. There we go. Rushing around. And then, what I think is really, you see this for sale sign, it's almost under.